morning, besties. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. In today's video we have a lot to get done. I know I say that every single video so far, but I honestly do have a lot of things to do today. I woke up early. I need to do some laundry, declutter my office and my room. And today is my husband's birthday. We're gonna make some steak for him because that's his favorite, and we're gonna be making him some confetti cake. So I'm gonna bring you along. I also have to go get some groceries. I'll do that as well. I'm just gonna do the Walmart pickup. And by the way, don't judge me whenever I show you this, but I have a ton of laundry to get done. My kids' room, oh my goodness, I did not even want to look at their room. I'm gonna help them off camera. I help them like start somewhere, and then I help them through the process. Not all the way though, just the starting point, because that's the hardest part, is starting. This is what my office area looks like. It is a total disaster. I have to take that out in the trash. That's whenever I declutter the bathroom. A whole full bag of decluttering just stuff. Now that I got all of that out of the way, I'm going to deep clean and declutter the inside of the cabinets.
To answer your question of how it is living in an RV as opposed to or how it was living, how we were before, it's definitely an adjustment. It's definitely a big step in our lives, a big change, but it's nothing that we can't handle as a family together and with God in our lives. Before, we used to live in a home with probably, you know, all the amount of space that we could ask for, but as you can see here, really all that stuff kind of just started meaning less and less to me as I got closer to God and realized really what we just needed as a family. To appreciate the smaller things in life, cherish the time we had with our families. It was just something that I kind of just stopped really caring for as much. Really, before I would chase after having the biggest, the biggest home, the largest space, but over time that was really just a luxury. It really wasn't a necessity, and it's basically why making this transition hasn't been as tough on me or as tough on some individuals. I know some people say it's very hard, but for me, I'm just happy to have my family and the necessities that we need and know that we're okay. With our faith in God, nothing can squander that.
Now it's time to clean my desk. Now that everything is clean, everything is out, I'm just gonna put everything back and organize it a little better. And this is what my bed looks like. So this is what my office looks like right now. I am just going to leave it like this. I'm looking more like to making it practical than like making it look cute. Just something easy for me to like go in there, grab it. So this is what the cabinets look like. I got all of the batteries here. I sorted all this here, and some of them are empty, which was like, I was kind of surprised. So I got rid of quite a bit of stuff. Yeah, this one's basically empty. They were all full, by the way. So I just got the groceries from the Walmart grocery pickup. Now let's go put them all inside and unpack all of them and just simply put everything away. So we got some whipping cream, some bread, some Taco Bell sauce, condensed milk. Since today is my husband's birthday, we got some funfetti cake, some seasonings for the steak, A1 sauce, coffee. One of my besties suggested for me to try this one, so I'm gonna try that one out. Orange juice, eggs, corn because my husband loves corn, some burritos, breakfast burritos, peaches, pears, bananas, watermelon, the steak, mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, chorizo, hash browns, strawberries, and bacon. Last but not least, some Coke, Sprite, and waters. So for the steaks, we need pepper, salt, soy sauce, and wash your sister sauce. I don't know how to say it, so yeah, this one. So right here, we're going to add the salt, pepper, and then we're going to stir in some soy sauce, then we're gonna stir again the wash your sister sauce. You're probably gonna laugh at me whenever you hear me say that. Okay, now we're gonna turn her around. You see, not a lot of sauce came out. It's all in the meat. And we're gonna do the same thing to this side. So now we're gonna put them inside of this pot so they can just marinate with all this goodness until he comes home. I preheated my oven to 350. Now we're gonna be making the funfetti cake. I'm just gonna follow those instructions. Whenever I make a cake, I get the one with the oil. Just push it down. And that's how much oil I'm gonna put in. I'm not sure if you can really see it. Your oil. I know it says water on there, but I'm gonna add milk in there. I feel like it gives it extra flavor. We're gonna add the 3 eggs. Now we're gonna whisk all together. So my pan here is 11 by 7. We're gonna be putting some Pam. Now we're just gonna add our mixture in. And now this is what my suegra taught me, to bang it down until all of the bubbles, I'm not sure if you can see, to make sure all of the bubbles come up. Now it says to put it in the oven for 15 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna peel these corns. I don't think I've ever seen a baby one. Look, I don't even, this is not even ready to eat. Oh, so cute. What are you doing today, bestie? What are you cooking for dinner? I hope it's something delicious. The only thing I don't like about corn is that they're super hairy. Why do they make them so hairy? Daddy! I added oil to a cast iron skillet. I also added some butter on the steak. Now that the 4 minutes are up, we're gonna flip it. Now another 4 minutes. I added some mayonnaise. Now we're gonna add some tahini. Queso fresco. Ta-da! Once it's been 4 minutes, I give it like a little cut and see if it's the right. And I take a look, and that looks. I'm gonna put it for maybe 1 more minute on the other side. This is what the steak looks like.
Really good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How about the steak?
Mm. Really good. Delicious.
Happy birthday, my wives.
Thank you.
Cheers, besties.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you.